Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So how are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually remove those dark under eye using banana, and other ingredients. And this is very effective. Like, I'm sure you've actually never tried this particular one. Yeah, so follow me into the video, and if you're new, you're welcome. If you are not new, you are a darling. And do not forget to thumbs up here, subscribe here, and turn on the post notification and click all, and let me take you right into this video. Okay guys, so for a dark under eye, and those dark spots, you're gonna be needing banana. And in this banana, you're basically gonna be needing just the peel of the banana. Okay, so we're gonna be peeling the banana this way. Okay, so we're not gonna be needing the banana itself. That's actually what I'm eating right now. And this is the one that we're going to be needing, the peel. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to peel or remove the banana meat. Okay, so after which we actually peel it, then we'll have to blend it up just like this. So we're going to be putting that into this bowl, and then we're going to be making use of vitamin E oil. Okay, now you can actually use vitamin E capsule. If you don't have the oil, you can equally use the capsule. It's actually very better. Okay, so after doing that, we're going to be putting the oil. Now put at most 1 teaspoon of this oil into this mix. Okay guys, so after that we're equally going to be needing potato. Okay, now potato actually helps so much in removing dark patches. It works so well in getting rid of skin pigments and then making your skin glow up. So it will definitely help to remove your dark under eye and remove all of your eye pigments. Okay, so after which we've peeled it up, then we'll have to cut it this way. then get it into the blender. Put in just a little bit of water. Okay guys, so after which would have to be transferring the potato paste into the mix. And then would stir it. Okay guys, so this is it. You have to mix it up, and then we're going to be needing cucumber for this. Now cucumber contains a whole lot of ingredients that helps to fight aging. It helps so much to close up the pores. It helps to remove fine lines and as well as wrinkles, and it also helps for pigments. So it's going to be very helpful when it comes to dark under eye, and in case you are equally having problems around your eye, that your eye area is wrinkled or rough, you can actually use this ingredient to glow it up and to make it really smooth. Okay, so now I'm gonna be putting the cucumber into the mix, and this is it. Mix it up really well. Okay, so I'm gonna go show you guys how you're going to be using this, and this is going to be superb. It's gonna be amazing, and you're literally gonna be using it alongside with the banana peel. Okay, so let's go apply this on the face. Now you can actually apply this every morning or every evening for an effective result, for a sharp result. Okay, you can use this and you're good to go. Okay guys, so this is it, and I've actually kept it for a little while in the refrigerator, plus this particular one. Okay, so what you do now is that we're going to be packing this goodness onto your dark under eye. Okay, you pack it there onto your dark under eye. If you're experiencing any darkness around there, be rest assured that it is actually going to heal it. It's going to help it heal really well. Okay, so in case you have your dark under eye at your upper eye area, you have to apply this. Okay, basically. So I'm actually folding it in a way that it would actually cover my eye. Now when you refrigerate this, guys, it's going to actually cool your eye really well when you apply it. Okay, so when you're done applying, then you put the banana peel on. Now make sure to refrigerate this banana peel. Okay, now the coolness is going to be in the banana peel. Okay, and then the coolness will be transferred into your under eye, and honestly this is going to really work wonders. Okay, so this is going to be super duper amazing. This is going to be very beautiful. Okay, and all of your darkness will be gone in few days of applying this. Just few days of applying this. So go give this a try, go give this a go, and you are definitely going to be loving this. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it. Remove all of those darkness under your eyes, slay and look beautiful, and get your color evenly toned. Okay, so that's it. If you do love this video, please give me a thumbs up here, subscribe here, turn on the post notification here, and click all. Okay, and also share somewhere here. Okay, and I'll see you again in my next video. Be consistent when you're applying this and give it a little time. Okay, it will work out. Yeah, because it is a natural remedy. Yeah, and I'll see you again. Bye.